the soul extension, the cosmic nexus, the hidden mission stored in the Nuit Coeptus. My peeps remain resolute in truth, the clue to bear offensive rebels level-headed in the sickest state of senses. What's valued the most seems lovely and precious. Dodge the fog that got you worshipping the bling and Benzes. Pyramids to the Pentagon, scripted fates and puppet demagogues, so fuck your money shrine in your house of God. Hold on though, but Cyberdyne exists. It's not just a Hollywood script. We flip with high caliber mindsets fully equipped. Glorify violence. The feeble-minded shots to know the slightest leaks of information that lead to unified riots. Master plans granted passage through the effigies of Baphomet, initiated by unusual sexual practices. Bohemian Grove, Malik and Stone, Mr. Scrolls, esoteric and monolithic in tone, exchange your soul to propose. Limited edition chrome explodes to make a point known by assassins with a message the media fails to mention. Proudly committed with a blank expression, neutralize targets, made examples of to inject fear in all of us. So you better watch what you're watching, because Big Brother's watching. You can't remove the blood stain hidden in the star-spangled carpet, or echo bolts of the force that pierced the suave garment, alarming you squadron, we've risen where most have fallen. So we trapped in Babylon, brainstorm to riot form, opposition brought forth by the wicked and lost. Stigmata palms reach across, grasp the holy cross, because if the world is finished, it ain't the first time it ended, y'all. We trapped in Babylon, brainstorm to riot form, opposition brought forth by the wicked and lost. Stigmata palms reach across and grasp the holy cross, because if the world is finished, fuck it.
Yeah.